Hello students, welcome back to SST class for class 6. Today we are going to start the next chapter of geography, that is lesson number 15, maps and how to read maps. Now first, before starting maps, in the previous chapter we have studied about the globe. When we studied about the globe was also the representation of the earth. A globe gave us three-dimensional figure. But there are some drawbacks in globes, as globe can be huge or bulky, and it did not give us so much of detailed information which we get from maps. So overcome all these drawbacks of the globe, maps are more convenient to carry or easy to keep. Now what are maps? When we talk about map is the representation of the earth or part of it drawn on a flat surface to a scale. Now again, what are map? Map are the representation of the earth. It can be map of whole earth or any part of the earth drawn on a flat surface. Maps are always drawn on a flat surface to a scale is the definition of the map. Why we prefer map over globe? Because it is easy to carry. We can fold it and keep it any place or hang it. And also it gives us more detailed information than globe. Now what are the different uses of map? When we talk about the different uses, first, maps provide detailed information about the earth. If you want a detailed information about the earth, we can get it from the map. Second, maps are used by navigators and pilots as a guide to fix their location. Now those who navigate ships or aeroplanes, they use maps as a guide to fix their location. Now maps are also used by town planners. Those people who plan towns and cities, they use these maps to make more appropriate town planning. Now maps also help us in understanding our location better. If we want to understand our location better, maps are the most appropriate, most useful thing. Now again, what is map? Why we prefer map over globe? Because map are easy to carry. They are not so bulky or heavy. We can keep it and fold it any place, and we can also hang it. The definition of map is a representation of an earth, or it can be a part of the earth drawn on a flat surface. Map is always drawn on a flat surface to a scale. Now what are the different uses of map? First, it provides detailed information about the earth. If you want to know about the detailed information, it can be map of a continent, any country, or a world of oceans, states, cities, etc. Now second, maps are also used by navigators and pilots as a guide to fix their location. Those who travel by ships or pilots, they use maps to guide or fix their location. Maps are also used by town planners to plan towns and cities. Town planners also use these maps to plan the town and city and to give the detailed information. They also help us, maps also help us in understanding our location better. If we want to understand our location better, the best thing is with the help of map, we can understand it. Now after studying about maps and uses of map, next topic is our types of map. When we talk about types of map, there are three types of map: political maps, physical map, and thematic map. When we talk about political maps, what are political maps? Political maps are those maps which show the boundaries of continents, countries, and states. Now again, what are political maps? Political maps are those maps which show us the boundaries of continents, countries, and states are known as political maps. When we talk about physical maps, they show us the relief features. Now what are these relief features? About the mountains, about the plains, desert, coastal area. It can be of a particular country. It can be of India or any other country. So physical map, as from the name itself, it shows about the relief features. It can be mountains, plains, desert and coastal areas. When we talk about thematic maps are those maps which give us a specific information. These maps give us a particular information or specific information. It can be about the density of population, rainfall of a particular area, or about crops of a particular area, the minerals which are found in that area. All these are given in thematic map. Again, there are three types of map: political maps, physical map and thematic map. When we talk about political maps, in political map it shows the boundaries of continents, countries and states. When we talk about physical map, they show us the relief features. Now what are these relief features? About the mountains, it can be of any country, it can be of India also, plain areas, desert area, about the coastal areas, all these, all the islands we can get in the physical map. When we talk about the thematic maps, it gives specific information about particular thing, like it can be density of population, rainfall of a particular area, about the crops, what are the different crops are grown in that area, or the minerals which are found in these area. So we study about the map. When we talk about map is the representation of an earth or a part of an earth on a flat surface to a scale. Now maps are used for different uses. Maps are used for studying the detailed information about the earth or locating any place. It is used by navigators and pilots. Then those town planners also use maps for their uses. And when we talk about types of maps, there are three types of maps: political maps, physical maps and thematic map. These are the